Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm opening up about my breastfeeding journey, the lessons I've learned, the regrets I have, and the advice I'd give to any mom just starting out. Whether you're struggling or thriving in your journey, this video is for you. If this resonates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little encouragement. When I was pregnant, I thought breastfeeding would come naturally, but I wish I'd prepared more. Regret: not taking a breastfeeding class or reading up on the basics before my baby arrived. Advice: educate yourself during pregnancy. Watch tutorials, take a class, or consult a lactation expert before your baby is born. It can make all the difference when those first few feedings don't go as planned. One of my biggest regrets was waiting too long to seek help when things got hard. Regret: struggling in silence with latching issues and pain for weeks. Advice: don't hesitate to call in the experts. Lactation consultants, online forums, and even local mom groups are great resources. Breastfeeding might be natural, but that doesn't mean it's easy, and it's okay to need support. I spent way too much time comparing myself to other moms, which led to a lot of unnecessary guilt. Regret: believing I had to exclusively breastfeed to be a good mom. Advice: remember, fed is best. Whether you're breastfeeding, formula feeding, or a mix of both, what matters most is that your baby is happy and healthy. Your journey is your own, and there's no one-size-fits-all. Breastfeeding can be exhausting, and I regret not taking better care of myself. Regret: ignoring my own needs to prioritize every feeding session. Advice: prioritize self-care. Stay hydrated, eat well, and rest when you can. If you're feeling burnout, it's okay to supplement or adjust your feeding schedule to work better for you and your baby. Breastfeeding is a beautiful but challenging journey, and it's okay to have regrets. What's most important is what we learn and how we grow. If you're navigating your own breastfeeding story, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest parenting content, and share this with other moms who might benefit. You're doing an incredible job, and I'm here cheering you on. See you in the next video.